Right, now I'm going to show you how to pick a padlock. It's quite simple. This is a standard padlock, silver line. I don't think much of silver line. You know, I've picked quite a few of these and they're quite easily, even though they do have a security pin in there somewhere, normally a spool pin. We'll give it a go now and I'll talk you through picking one. So I'm going to use this tension wrench. I made this out of a bit of windscreen wiper from a car. So the sort of tension we need for this is put the tension wrench in, turn it until it stops, and then a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to try and pick it at this angle. The pick I'm using, I made this out of a hacksaw blade. I've got hundreds of picks I've bought. This one I find works great for padlocks. Don't know why. So I'm going to see if I can do this. So I've done the first 2 pins. That's number 3 pin. Is number 4. And this one never goes. There's number 5. And then we just come back across. The security pin is at number 4 in this. You can hear the pins clicking into place, and I'm just on and off the tension just to try and get this security pin to pop. And there we go, it's open. So it does take a little bit of time messing about with the spool pin, but as far as security padlocks go, I wouldn't put that on your garage.